Hi everyone, today we're checking out the FIOCCO Electric Pressure Washer with an impressive 5000 psi and 3.4 GPM flow rate for powerful cleaning. It features a 1600W motor that tackles tough stains on patios, siding, and vehicles quickly and efficiently. Safety is a priority with its total stop system that shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, plus a safety lock to prevent accidental use. You get full coverage with a 20-foot hose, 35-foot power cord, and 4 adjustable nozzles for versatile spray patterns. The pressure washer is easy to move thanks to rugged wheels and comes with a smart storage system for all attachments. Whether you're cleaning your car, garden, or patio, this portable washer makes the job effortless. Plus, professional customer support is ready to help with any questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.